Let's take a look at the Summit Ridge condo. It has 3 levels of living, 3 bedroom suites, and it has a remodeled kitchen. Let's take a look. I love the new flooring choices they made here, and the kitchen remodel is fantastic. One big open living space. All the bedrooms are suites in this townhouse, plus the laundry is upstairs. But wait, there's more. There's a lower level, another bedroom suite. There's an exercise area and there's storage under the stair. This open plan is always a winner. Call me, Jeff Franklin at FC Tucker Realtors, jeffsells.com.